Well, hello there, beautiful people. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This video is a part of What Would You Make collaboration, and I'm sharing 3 easy DIYs, so let's jump right in. For our first inspiration, I had this piece of wood that I got from Home Depot months ago. I picked it up on their scrap pile for $3. So I'm going to be making a porch leaner, and this is 4 feet by 8 inches. So I'm sanding it down. I'm going to use my Oops paint that I got from Lowe's. Guys, this paint is amazing. It's odorless, it's very thick. One coat will go a long way. So I won't let you watch me paint all of this. I'll come back in a bit after I've given it 2 good coats. And now it's painted and dried. I'm gonna be stenciling. I got this stencil from Amazon a while back. This is the first time I'm going to be using it, and it spells welcome. The wood was a little too wide, so when I took it home that day, I measured the stencil on it and then took it back to them and had them cut it for me. So here I'm just laying down the stencil, leaving about an inch between each letter. And it's a little difficult to see what I'm doing because of the paint on the wood and the stencil clashing with that, but you'll see what it looks like when I get done with it. And this is a very large project, so I had to be, using one section of the table in order to film it properly. I could have done it outside, but no, they don't want to do that. Set up camera and all of that stuff, no. Once I made sure that they were laid out evenly, I'm taping them down with masking tape. And now I'm going to be stenciling on the letters with Waverly chalk paint in ink. And this is very thick. I had to mix it or dilute it with a little water. What I did not do, which I should have done, I didn't remember at the time when I was doing it, was to put some Mod Podge down before I started stenciling to prevent the ink from bleeding, but I didn't remember to do it. But it came out pretty good, and you'll see that, with the exception of some parts getting a little bleeding. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. I'm all done. All the letters have been stenciled on. I'm now going to remove them. And ooh, I love it. I love it already. I love it. I think I will be making a few more of these. I don't generally do large projects, but this one is turning out to be so cool. I think I'm going to be doing a lot more. Now this is where the M got a little messed up, but no worries, I can fix that. And that's because the pieces are like, there's nothing to hold them down. And now I'm drying with the heat gun. And here I'm taking the black paint pen and just painting in that little section that did not get. Apparently the stencil still had a little piece clinging onto it, so that piece did not get any paint. And then I'm going over with the paint pen in some areas. Now this is going to take a lot more fixing, so you'll see me trying to repair that in a little bit with both the black paint pen as well as the paint, the cream paint. And here I'm trying to do some repair work. I think I did my best in trying to fix it. Turned out pretty good. And here we are all done. Now I decided to use the satin Mod Podge, but for some reason I don't like this Mod Podge because it tends to bleed the paint. So I had to change my mind and go back to the matte Mod Podge in the end. And this is what it looks like, guys, leaning up on my porch at the front. Let me know what you think. This is What Would You Make collaboration being hosted by Zaina from OK at Home, Connie from Connie's Woodwork and DIYs, and her guest host is JC with Crafting with JC. I will leave their links in the description box below, as well as the link to the playlist with an amazing group of crafters. Please be sure to check them out after you get done watching my video. Now for DIY number 2. Now this is a sign or a decor piece from Dollar Tree, and it is beautiful as it is, but I'm just going to do a little bit more with it. I'm just gonna paint the border with some elephant gray, and I'm just going to go around the border and the back to match the gray border that's on the front. And now that's done, I'm just removing the tape that I had put down so I didn't get paint on the front part. And then here I'm just going over with some Mod Podge to seal it. You know, some of Dollar Tree DIYs are beautiful as they are. They don't need a lot. Or some of them you can just leave them as is. And that's what I'm doing with this one. So I made a small bow and glue that to the side and just glue down the tails. And guys, this, in my mind, I'm using this as a gift. You know, you can give this to someone who is having like a housewarming party, the welcome sign at their front door. And this could be just a decor piece for their guest room or bathroom. And for DIY number 3, not going to be doing much to this one either. So what I'm going to do just to tie in this piece with the next one is to paint the dowel with the same gray paint. And this is supposed to be a towel or tissue holder. I don't know how this works. But that's what it says it is. So once that is dried, I apply some Mod Podge, replace it back on the holder, remove the tag, and this is done. And here I'm showing you both of them that will go together. And that's it. Now for the final reveal. I am absolutely in love with my porch leaner. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Let me know what you think about this. I wanted to do this for such a long time and just could not bring myself to doing it. And then I just decided, get over it, Christine, and get it done. And I'm so happy that I did. Now I wanted to do the reverse side, but then I restrained myself and said, not today, Christine, leave that for another time. But let me know what you think about this, guys. I absolutely love it. And here are the towel and tissue holder, my little decor piece in my guest bathroom. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to check out the host channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so before you leave. And if you love budget-friendly content like this one, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until next time. Bye!